I'm so sorry I'm late. Looks so terrible. But I don't have any
Yeah, it does.
excuses
Your
for
tag
you.
with the driving suspended and you're sitting in the driver's seat of the car indicating you drove to work. Open it up again. Doesn't matter. You might as well stay where you are. You already ratted yourself out. The defendant is in the same gray car, KDG license plate that he got his there. But now he's moved to the passenger. Shoot yourself in the foot and you're running out of toes.
This defendant seriously takes the crown for worst court appearance ever. He shows up late to Zoom court, already a bad start, and then decides to appear while sitting in the driver's seat, even though his license is suspended. Like, what was he thinking? And wait till you hear the judge's reaction when he realizes this guy is actually driving. It's funny, yeah, but also a huge fail on so many levels. It's almost like he's daring the court to punish him. So what do you think? Is this just dumb entertainment, or does he deserve serious consequences? Let's get into it.
Watch.
When you talked to him this morning, did he indicate that he'd gotten his record figured out? He talked sure, sure. No question. Does he have problems? Well, I may, if he does come, I may need to get a conference room to do a breakout with him. Is that you, Mr. Freeman?
Hey, I'm here, sir. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry I'm late.
Okay. Well, you were supposed to be arriving in person. Um,
1 second. Can you hear me?
yes. Where are you now?
I can barely hear you.
All right. Where are you? Are you?
I can hear you now. I can hear you now. We're all good.
Are you at
We're
work?
all good. I was just leaving work. Um, I was working 16 hours trying to catch up on bills, but I'm so sorry I'm late. Looks so terrible. But I don't have any
Yeah, it does.
excuses
Your
for you.
tag with the driving suspended and you're sitting in the driver's seat of the car indicating you just drove to work. So, you need to get a ticket on the foot bus. Now, so just a second. Mr. Bush indicated you called his office earlier today. But, um, and he didn't have a chance to talk to you. Would you like to talk to your lawyer?
Yes, please.
John, Laura, would you go back into the conference room? I shut it off and thought I just moved it, but you need to open it up again. Doesn't matter. You might as well stay where you are. You already ratted yourself out. John, would you go into the conference room with this takeout room with help with the
All
client?
right.
I brought in someone named Matthew Keith. All right, just a minute. Maybe I've got to situate John. All right, Mr. Freeman, I'm going to put you in a breakout room where you can speak with your lawyer privately, okay?
Thank you.
I'm looking at your driving record. John, I just sent you one. Yeah. While you're doing that, I'm going to take a look at it. We've had some fits and starts. We had a translator case that took longer than we had hoped. We had a no-show, and then this guy just comes rolling quite late.
Well, and Keith, last time we were set got snowed off.
Yes, that's what these are.
Oh, okay.
Got a snow day, definitely called a snow day on the 29th. That was the day that Rob and Dave wanted to call it the night before, but then by the time it happened, there really was no question. The courthouse needed to be closed on that day. And they
Well,
also,
I'm going to tell you kids something. Back in my day,
Oh, yeah. I walked barefoot to court uphill.
I kicked them out.
Now he can fix his own name. Coming again. Poor Andy.
I just, we, back in his younger than I am.
Why don't you get some of my great flavored soda? Looks like a beer. So,
I'll put you in wait.
Okay, now it's just me. Don't have Matthew Keith.
Okay.
And I get to drink my soda.
Alright, we're in the holding pattern. Now, Mr. Nelson does not have a pattern of not showing up. He almost always appears. He does have a pattern of struggling with electronic connection.
I mean, his license is not valid, John, so he needs to not drive. Hopefully, the backseat is a license driver.
He said there's a young driver that's driving him. He wants to send it to the front. Oh, I'm sure he does.
You've got to love how the whole courtroom is roasting this guy. And honestly, he earned it. He logs into court for a suspended license case and then straight up admits to driving on camera. Like, come on, you can't make this stuff up. If this were a TV show, nobody would believe it. And the best or worst part, his lawyer tries to claim someone else was driving and he was just a passenger. Yeah, sure. If you believe that, I've got a bridge to sell you. At the end of the day, this kind of behavior makes it harder for people who actually try to follow the law.
He doesn't owe me anything. He thinks he owes $190 for his quick getaway. That's what he may owe the Secretary of State or another count, but I don't show that he has any unpaid.
It looked like there was one
Oh,
account with Zoom.
oh, I don't owe St. Joe any money.
Okay, I don't see you.
The only thing stopping me from getting my license,
Just a bit. I'm situated. Alright. Okay, turn to Alante Freeman, who's not here in person, is here by Zoom, short notice. Charged with driving suspended first offense. It's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 9 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. Carry 2 points on your record, requires that your license. Deborah Davis is here from the attorney's office, and John Bush is here on the the front end is on the same gray car EKG license plate that he does. Yeah. But now he's moved to the passengers. Davis, what's the circumstance?
Now, the offer has consisted then that he's able to get a valid license that he lead to allowing another to violate the motor vehicle. He's not thrilled about the fact that he may have been driving because the driving license shows he's not valid. The driving license isn't very clear about what he needs to do to get valid. It appears that his last license was a duplicate and it expired as of December 2021. So I'm not sure if the ticket that is holding him up or if not having gone to the state to get his license. He's not valid though, so he needs to not be driving. And the offer will remain open as long as he does not drive or violate any other laws.
So it's open now?
Yes, I will leave it open. I mean, obviously.
Mr. Freeman,
yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
prosecutor, even though you apparently still driving around and
Well,
aware about stuff, was offered to plea to allowing another to violate the motor vehicle code. Carries no points, no driver responsibility fee, and does get abstracted to your license. So it won't affect the ability to get your license from the Secretary of State. Do you understand?
yes, Your Honor.
Are you willing to plead to that charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, you need to put your license for what part of the school is gonna allow
I
it.
know it says she's making the offer right now. You haven't done some. That's Secretary of State clearance, so you owes me nothing. All right. Do you understand that clean to the charge and giving up the right to have a trial in front of a judge or a jury of no trial? Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You driving a car way back last April here in St. Joe County.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your license wasn't valid at that time.
No, it was not.
Where are you working now?
IAC in Mendon.
Right. I don't want you to say anything because I'm rank speculation. I go in, drove to work, you drive to work every day, you drop the money, you're naive enough to call me from the driver's seat of your car. But I don't know any of it. I can't prove any of it. I can't just guess.
This might be one of the funniest and most frustrating court hearings I've seen in a while. I couldn't stop laughing at first, but honestly, the more you think about it, the less funny it gets. This guy clearly doesn't respect court orders, and that's a serious problem. People like this can be dangerous, especially behind the wheel. And did you catch that little grin when the judge called him out? That smirk alone could have sealed the guilty verdict. So, yeah, part of me wants to laugh, but the other part is just mad that he's out here risking lives like it's no big deal. What do you think? Clueless or careless?
What I will say is shoot yourself in the foot when you run out of tolls. Get another driver suspended, you're gonna lose your license, you're gonna be hosed, and you won't be able to get it. So if the guy in the back seat has a driver's license, have him drive. You got a giant gift from the prosecutor, especially since you poked us both in the eye by driving in the meantime. But I'm gonna do the normal fine of $75. $75 crime victims rights fee, a $50 state minimum fee, a $150 bad enough. I would suggest that you don't get caught driving suspended, or you and I will have a discussion about the discussion we just had.
Yes, Your
How long
Honor.
will it take you to pay $350?
Uh,
Yeah, I thought he had $20. He's got my notes for a truck.
Yes, he does. He has a $500 cash. That should get money for that. Now, the address I have for you is Cornish. Is that still correct?
can you, yeah.
Well, I'm going to send you some money back.
Can you, oh,
Yeah, I'm still here.
okay. Can you still hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, I'm getting you the address right now.
All right. I don't want you to put it out on the internet, on the live feed.
Okay. How do I get it to you? Want me to tell my attorney?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
Bring back in the breakout room. You can give that address to Mr. Bush, and you'll just
Yes, Your Honor.
want to join the breakout room again. Then free to go. Don't realize
Yes, Your Honor.
you want to be a trustee mowing lawns at jail. You're almost finished. Don't screw it up now, okay?
I, you know, I got you.
All right.
All right, you have a good day.
All right. Just I'm gonna put you in Johnson. And,
Okay.
and give me your address. You got me on Jones. Andy, Mr.
Honestly, he got off pretty easy. Just a warning and a serious talk from the judge about never driving without a valid license again. And I don't know, maybe he learned something, maybe he didn't. The judge made a solid point, though. If he does this again, he could lose his license for years. And I'll be real, he doesn't seem like a bad guy, just really bad at making smart decisions. Showing up late and driving with a suspended license? That's wild. But at the end of the day, it's not just about breaking rules, it's about the risk he poses to others. The prosecutor let him off easy, and I'm not sure I agree with that. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I post daily. Thanks for watching.